What's up, everybody? Welcome to That's Crazy. That's crazy.
That's crazy.
That's crazy.
And we're at That's Crazy Garage, and we're over here doing an engine swap today on some Evo.
No.
It's a Lancer, but it looks cool like an Evo. It has like a wing, it has a spoiler and some stuff. Looks pretty cool. What are you guys doing? Oh, we're just cleaning up right now?
Yeah, right.
Yeah? So let me show you what we're working on. So it's a car. It got a spoiler and a wing and a Lancer. It got a muffler and it runs. Wait. All right, tell me what's going on. Come over here in the view of the car and tell me what's going on in this car.
It runs, but not very good.
Why doesn't it run very good? You know,
I think it has leak down in cylinder like 3 or 2. So we're just gonna replace it.
That means new transmission?
No, motor.
You tell me, man. I don't know about cars.
They hear it. They hear it.
All right, so we're replacing the motor over here. So we're gonna take the old one out,
Yep.
put a new motor in, and then he's gonna take that other motor and he's gonna rebuild it or do something fun in the future.
Maybe.
But for now, check it out.
You said what?
Hella more clear than the last time I've seen it.
You seen this one? This is my brother's.
Hey, hold on.
Brother?
Yeah, that's mine right there.
Hey, man. All right, so I'm gonna pull this back.
Well, I actually show it right here. I
Yeah.
wrote it on there a while back when I was doing the diagnosing.
Were you right on there?
Right here, bad. So whatever it is, it's in this cylinder. I don't know what it is.
All right, so get down here top. So is there something bad in this
Something
cylinder?
in this cylinder. It's either misfiring or
Get down, turn your shoulder
they can hear me.
Yeah, it's cool.
But yeah, it's something in this cylinder. It's either a misfire, a bad valve. It's not a misfire. It's something in the cylinders. Other than that, that's why we're changing it.
Alright, welcome to That's Crazy Garage, everybody, and today we're going to be doing an engine swap with my boy Ricky over here, Forrest over there, another Anthony over there. He's taking off the wheel, and yeah, so this is the engine in.
Really, you gotta be here for when we finish it.
Wait, what's that?
I said you gotta be here when we finish it now for that.
I will. All right, we're over here on a solo mission. Not solo, but we're over here on a duo mission. What are we doing, Austin?
Building a fire.
Building a fire, because we're cold and the mechanics are working.
You said what? It launched. It said, bing! Broke my tool.
Broke my tool. My tool. That's actually a cool tool.
I don't know what he's doing either. He's trying to show me like.
Nah, I'm
like
gonna feel. Forrest.
Like tough to work on.
Nothing. Alright, I think. Oh, fuck the Forrest go.
How's that going, by the way? What do you guys have left? You getting it done all in one day?
I don't have that motor, I'm just pulling it today.
So you're getting it all out in one day?
Hopefully.
What's Forrest doing in the background?
Why would you so awkward in the back?
Wait, as you said, look.
Yeah, you taking pictures for the spank bank, huh?
Wait, do the eyes. Spank bank.
Oh, I'm pulling forward. I was like, what do you mean?
This is how they get out their anger issues in their therapy sessions. Hey guys, I just pulled this engine all by myself. All I did was snap my fingers and this engine came out, you know? Just kidding. It was the mechanic over here. Tell what we did. Tell what we did.
Let's see your hands, Mr. Mechanic.
All right, so we just finished the job replacing this engine over here. Not replacing.
Pulling it out.
Pulling the engine. And now there's no engine in here anymore. And this is the engine after. What, second?
I said engine out or no engine in?
No engine in?
Out.
Engine out. And then what are we doing in the next video? And then in the next video, what are we doing?
We'll be getting the new engine and putting timing belt and water pump on that.
All right.
Accessorizing the new one with all that stuff.
Yeah, what he said, and I'll just film it and make it cool if I can. All right, peace out, y'all.